Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to Your Financial Independence. So today I wanted to go over some news that kind of broke out about HYLIION and why the stock is, at one point I looked and it was about 11.5% down. Quite shocking. This isn't any major news at all. This is basically one analyst that downgraded the stock from hold to sell, and for some reason you still have, I'm sorry if y'all invest in like Nikola and stuff like that, and it does get aggravating at times, but this is times as investors that we need to pay attention. Like one of the favorite quotes that I like from Peter Lynch is know what you own and know why you own it. And this is what I like to focus on whenever I feel like we're going through rough times with HYLIION right now. You may ask in the comments down below, no, I'm not selling this stock. As far as the stock price goes, the more it goes down, the less, chance of losing money you have. So that's one good thing to look out for. I'm going to make this video pretty quick, just not going to drag it out, go over the basics real fast. If you do like this content, straight to the point, make sure you like and subscribe. So this is a Barron's article. So shares of HYLIION were down 10.2% to $7.02. They're down even lower the last time I looked. I think it was in the 690s. The S&P 500, Dow, we don't care about that. UBS analyst Stephen Fisher downgraded the stock to sell from hold. He dropped his price target to $5 from $14. He doesn't think the company will meet the sales projections in the next coming years. Basically, their HYLIION's roadmap that is on their investor presentation, which I feel like is doable, especially the current market we're in right now, where trucking companies, they're tired of all these EGRs and DPF problems and all the sensors that comes along with that to meet emissions, getting more and more strict with diesel engines these days. So HYLIION produces drivetrains, we all know that can fully electrify the truck and convert it to diesel or gasoline. So the startup essentially has no sales this year. They're probably going to next quarter, I feel like, which could be a catalyst for the stock. And they're projecting $2 billion in sales by year 2024. I feel like is doable. Analysts currently project $1.2 billion in sales for 2024, so they're lowballing it. And then it goes on to say, Fisher thinks HYLIION is too optimistic with its numbers for two reasons. Customers need time to warm up to a new company. Not necessarily true, we'll get into that. And supply chain disruptions and the labor shortage will basically backlog the entire trucking sector. Yeah, I will agree with that. I don't believe it's going to backlog all the way to 2024. I feel like it'll be, Q3 of next year, 2022, is when we're going to start to expect everything as far as the supply chain shortages to kind of fall off and get off of everybody's radar and get kind of back to normal. And then customers needing to warm up to a new company, I don't believe that's the case, because they still use Freightliner or Peterbilt, Kenworth, Volvo. They still use their powertrains, and bigger trucking companies can take more of a risk. You look at Detmar Logistics; they're a pretty small trucking company. They've used HYLIION trucks. They've seen what they can do, and then in a matter of a month or two after they got through doing their testing, they ordered, I want to say, 300 of the ERX solutions whenever they become available, and then they're also in the demo plan now. So you have companies that have tried these trucks out and they realize how great they are. If they didn't realize how great they are, then they wouldn't have bought or ordered, for the ERX or more hybrid solutions or whatever. So this is a short video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. I should be making a SoFi video either this evening or tomorrow. So catch me back on the next video.